So in part A of this question, we are required to write this number in standard form. So the first step is to um, move the decimal so that the decimal is after the first number, and the first number is 4, and those are 4 steps to the right. So this number in standard form will be 4.51 times 10 to the power negative 4. So basically, to write a number in standard form, the decimal has to be placed after the first number. Okay, in the second question, we require to write this in standard form. Now just focus on the numbers 7.8 and 2.4, and also the powers of 10, 10 to the power 5, and 10 to the power negative 4. Now, from indices, you know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. So you can use that idea to work out this portion here, this portion. The other portion you can just divide on your calculator, or 7.8 divided by 2.4, that will be 3.25, multiplied by this 2 will be 10 to the power 5 minus negative 4. So the resulting answer will be 3.25 times 10 to the power 9. Okay. Number 15, write this as an ordinary number. So you just multiply these out. That will be 5, 7. And then you add 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this in standard form, again, you move the decimal so that it's after the first number. And those are 3 steps to the right. So this will be 4.0, or just 4 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 3. Okay. Next question. We are required to work this out. Now, ideally, you can just plug this in your calculator, but alternatively, what you can do is just write this in as an ordinary number. So here you'll have 20,000 plus 300,000 over so to write this as a decimal, move the decimal 2 steps to the left. So that will be equal to, actually that's not necessary. Let's just leave it as 6.4 times 10 to the power negative 2. And then add the numerators. So you'll have 32,000, actually 320,000 over 6.4 times 10 to the power negative 2. And then write the numerator in standard form. So 3.2 times 10 to the power 5 over 6.4 times 10 to the power negative 2. And then use the same approach as what I did up there. So basically, this will be equal to 0.5 times 10 to the power 7. And this is the same as 5.0 times 10 to the power 6.